The roses are blooming so beautifully in the garden, but in today's video, we're going to be focusing on pre-soaking our seeds. So we're going to be planting euphorbia, some morning glory, also a fragrant moonflower, and another variety of a morning glory, the scarlet. So what I did was label my paper cups. And then I'm going to be warming up my water. Here are what the euphorbia seeds looked like. So I'm adding my different seeds to my cup. Here's how you would know if your seeds need to be pre-soaked, either on the front or the back of the label. It'll show you where the special germination instructions, if any, and if you see that you need to pre-soak your seeds, this is what you would do. You can nick your seeds with a filer, toenail clippers, or I'm using my cutters, my snips here. And so I'm just going to nick a little bit off of the seed, and then you're just going to place it in the water after that. Make sure you're not cutting half the seed, but right at the tip of the seed, I'm cutting just a small amount off. Not all seeds need to be nicked, so make sure you read your seed packet. If you're growing vegetables, there are some vegetable seeds that will do really well if you pre-soak them as well, such as corn, peas, also tomato seeds. Some seeds require 24 hours, but the way that you will know that your seeds are ready is when they begin to swell. We previously built our garden bed, so now we're adding the dirt before planting out the seeds. If you're planting in a 4x4 garden bed, you're going to need 4 bags of dirt. Before planting your seeds, check the back of your packet and it'll show you the planting depth, and that'll let you know if you're going to be planting your seeds inside the soil or if you're going to be sowing on the surface level of the soil. seeds, then I have space in the garden, so I'm planting 2 varieties of asters together. Gardening should be a fun learning experience. Don't overthink it. Read your seed packages and just spread those seeds and watch those beautiful flowers grow. Don't worry if you have a huge clump of seeds packed together. It's your garden and you're going to be looking and enjoying it. After you sprinkle your seeds or plant your seeds at the depth that is required, go ahead and water those seeds in. Hope this video was valuable in information about seed germination and pre-soaking and nicking your seeds. Also, we learned about plant depth, how deep to plant your seeds, and then just not making the garden something that's stressful. Plant and have fun. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see more garden content, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.